Hello, this problem is to find angle OMH here. The given condition is this point O is circumcenter of triangle ABC. Let's go. This is circumcenter of ABC means OC, OA, OB is all equal. OA equal OB equal OC. So triangle OAB and OAC and OBC are all isosceles triangle. So here 16 degree. Naturally, this is also 45. Triangle ABH is here right angle. This is 45, so this is 45. And HA is HB. HA is HB. Triangle OAB is isosceles triangle. So because this is 61, so this is also 61. Means this is 16. Here, draw this line, auxiliary line. Triangle OHP, triangle OHA. These two are congruent. That means this angle and this angle is the same. Angle BOA, AOB is 180 minus 61 minus 61 is 180 minus 122 is 58. So angle BOH is angle AOH is 29. Here and here also 29. And focus on this point M. M is the middle point of AC. AC is hypotenuse of triangle AHC and AOC. That means M is the circumcenter of triangle AHC and AOC. So MA equal MH equal MO equal MC. Naturally, MHO is isosceles triangle. You know this angle? Angle BOC. BOC equal 108 minus 16 minus 16. 148. And angle AOC equal angle BOC minus angle BOA. BOC is 148 minus 58. Oh, this is 90 degree right angle. Here 90 degree. That means this angle is 45 and this angle is 45. Here also 45. Then we can get the angle MOH. Angle MOH. Equal angle BOC minus angle BOH minus angle COM. 148 minus 29 minus 45 equal 74 degree. Angle MOH equal angle MHO 74. Then angle OMH HMO is 180 minus 74 minus 74. 180 minus 148 equal 32 degree. Finished. Thank you.